In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link boards in Monday.com step by step. If you're managing projects, clients, tasks, or multiple workflows, linking boards is one of the most powerful features you can use to keep everything connected and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect two boards together and link specific items between them in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, you need to open the board where you want to create the link. Head over to your Monday.com workspace and navigate to the board that needs to connect to another board. This is important because the connection always starts from the board where you add the Connect Boards column. So click into the board you want to work with and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside the board, the next step is to add the Connect Boards column. At the top of your board, where all your columns are displayed, look for the option that says Plus Add Column. Click on that. A menu will appear showing different column types that you can add. In the search bar, type in Connect Boards. When you see the Connect Boards column option appear, click on Add to Board. Monday.com will now prepare the connection setup for you. As soon as you add the column, a pop-up window will appear asking you which board you want to link to. This is where you choose the second board that you want connected. You'll see a list of available boards in your workspace. Select the board you want to connect to, for example, projects, clients, or tasks, depending on your workflow. You'll also see an option that says Allow linking to multiple items. This setting determines whether one item in your current board can connect to multiple items in the other board. If you want a one-to-many relationship, turn this on. If you only want each item to connect to a single item on the other board, leave it off. Choose the option that best fits your process and then confirm the setup. Your boards are now connected. Now comes the final and most important part, actually linking items between the two boards. Go to any item or row inside your original board. In the new Connect Boards column that you just added, you'll see an option that says Link to Item. Click on it. A drop-down will appear showing items from the connected board. Simply select the item you want to link. As soon as you click the item, the two entries are now connected. You'll be able to click into that connection at any time to view details from the other board. This is incredibly useful for keeping related information synced without duplicating data. For example, you can link a task to a specific client or connect a project to multiple deliverables, all while keeping everything structured and easy to navigate. And that's it. That's how you link boards in Monday.com. Open the board you want to work from, add the Connect Boards column, choose the board you want to link to, adjust your multiple item settings, and then start linking individual items. Once you understand this feature, you can build much more advanced and organized workflows inside Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.